Tumeona kiti ya Kawira imeenda, mwanaume ndiye amechaguliwa, ndiye alikuwa deputy yake. Sasa tunaomba deputy wa Meru awe mama, because hiyo kiti ilikuwa ni ya mama. Na leo sisi kama wamama, hii mwaka tuko na 30 years kwa wale wamama wetu ambao walienda Beijing kwenda kututetea. Wamama walikuwa 450 ambao wengine wao wameshaaga na wengine wao wako. Hao wamama tunawapongeza, walienda kufight for us, na kweli tunaona matunda ambayo walienda kufight.
It is quite unfortunate that as we make progress in this country, then we are also making a step back. That we had 7 governors, they used to call them G7, and right now it's unfortunate that we are reduced to 6. We hope that whatever is happening in Meru County is happening on merit. And it's not an attack to women in leadership. And it's not an attack to make sure that women don't progress. A woman who went to campaign with her resources and got elected is right now impeached in a manner that doesn't augur well with us fellow women.
The antagonism around women leadership in this country has to be castigated. We saw the way, of course, my colleagues have spoken about Kawira Mwangaza, Kawira, but we can for sure say that she has been taken round and round and round until now she is out completely. We are praying and we are urging the leadership of this country, and we are asking men in the leadership positions in the country to be he for she for us women, so that we can move together to achieve the leadership for women that the country so much requires. We are praying that the remaining governors should be ring-fenced, surely, should be protected. We know the leadership of women trickles down to the very, very lowest levels in the community. And the leadership for women is felt across all the divides.